Hyderabad senior advocate Khaja Moinuddin, who was actively fighting cases related to alleged illegal occupation of Waqf Board lands, has died in a suspected hit-and-run incident near Masab Tank on 23rd May. The case has triggered serious suspicion, with police now treating it as a possible targeted attack linked to the ongoing Waqf land disputes. According to police and CCTV footage, an unidentified car without a number plate allegedly hit Moinuddin from behind while he was near his parked vehicle and immediately fled the scene. He sustained severe injuries and was rushed to a private hospital where he later died during treatment. An initial attempt to murder case has now been converted into a murder case. Police officials, including DCP Rakshita Krishnamurthy, stated that CCTV evidence suggests the vehicle may have deliberately rammed the advocate. Special teams have been formed to trace the suspects, review CCTV footage from multiple locations, and track the vehicle's movement. The incident has sparked outrage among sections of the legal fraternity, with colleagues and family members alleging that the attack could be linked to land mafia interest due to his legal work in Waqf property cases. Investigations are currently underway in all possible angles. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.